Hello YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to make my film projector, my very first one. First, you need a 4x6 plate, then you need one of these, or 1x4 with 3 dots in the inside, a 1x2 with a hole and one hole. You need one of these. You need 3 of these. You need 2 of these, 2, and you need 2 small ones of these. Then you need 1 of these. See, like that. And you need 3 of these. You need 1 of these, and you need 1 of these. See? You need 1 of these. You need 1 of these with 6 holes inside. You need 1 gear, a little small one. You need 1 little thing of these. And you need 3 1x1 dots, any color. This is optional. You can have 1 of these too. I'm just gonna have it. And you'll need 1x6 smooth plate, and you need 1 of these. Well, the hole in the center, just 1 hole. Right. First, Alright, first you get this, put the stick in, like that. Then you get 1 of these and you put them in like that. Then you get 1 of your small one of these and you put them right here. Then you get 1 of these and put them right here. Then you get 1 of these and you put it right here. Then you get no, you don't need it. You get this. No. First, then you get your light actually. Then you get this and you put it right here, this little brick. Then you get this. No, hold on, sorry, I did something wrong. You get 1 of your long one of these actually, and you put it like that. Then you get this and you put it like that, and you get, hold on, take this off. Take that off, and you actually put this right here. Like that. Then you get the other one and you put it like that. Then you get the other long of your bricks. Hold on. Take this off first. Then you put this right there. Then you get this back and put 2 like that. Basically, they just connect and it moves. And then what you want to do is get your plate, and you need to put this right here, and then you want to get this, put it on like that. Actually, you get this and put like that. See how it moves? And yeah. Then you get this, and you put this one right here, and you get your you put this right here, and you see how that is. You first, basically, you just put this, and then, hold on, I forgot the gear part. You gotta put your gear right here, and then you wanna put this right in there, and then see, it's able to move. Then you want to put this down like that. You want to put these both down like right here. You want to put this one right here and the other one right in here. Then it's able to move. Oh, hold on, they're both backwards. I did something wrong. Take this one off, and I'm gonna put this back on. This one is supposed to be right. Basically, you're supposed to have this piece right here, right in there. Then you're supposed to have this piece right here, and then they'll connect. And you want to put this right here. Put this one in first, and then put your other one in. And see, it's able to move. This looks a little different, I know, but it's okay. You don't really have to have this piece or the other piece. But then for the button, you get your red dot or whatever color, and you get your little brick like this. You put the red dot right there. Then you get the put it right here. See? Like that. Then you get your 1x6 smooth piece and you put it right there. And then you can get your little dots. This is optional. You can put this right in the middle. And put it in like that. And that is your film projector. See, it's very steady. So yeah. But if you want, you can see how this is. You can put this right here so you can move it without doing it, but it won't really work like that. It doesn't fit for a minifigure. And yeah. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.